Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about our portfolio that is more than $10,000 in profit from beginning of this year. Also, I'm going to do analysis of current Bitcoin and crypto market situation, and I'm going to share with you very interesting charts. So please stay until the end of the video and see what is it about. I will start with our portfolio. If you're new to our channel, a few months ago we made a 20k portfolio. We bought Bitcoin, Ethereum and other cryptocurrency for $20,000, and this portfolio we're going to share with you through this bear and the next bull market. We expect to make 5 to 7 times in next 2 to 5 years. Right now we are up 53%, which is almost $11,000. Which cryptocurrency, when and why we bought, you can find on the video that is on our channel. As you could see, some cryptocurrency as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP are up, while some cryptocurrency from the moment we bought are down from 6 to 31%. And even though we have some cryptocurrency up and some down, our portfolio is up $11,000. And this is why diversification takes a very important place in investing. So let's start with Bitcoin analysis on a weekly chart. We could see Bitcoin having a top on around $69,000, and it is very easy to spot a trend. A downtrend that was going from that moment. Once we had a downtrend broken, we have a Bitcoin easily starting an uptrend. What I liked about this downtrend is that this trend line is broken under 200 simple moving average, and that is this purple line. When we look in the past, every time when Bitcoin was around or under 200 simple moving average, that was a great opportunity to invest in Bitcoin. If you could buy Bitcoin under the 200 simple moving average on a weekly chart, it was even a better opportunity for investing. Also, if we take a look at the volume, we could see a big volume and big red candle. Big red candle with big volume can mean that this was an exhaustion candle, and very often it leads in the changing of a trend direction. Starting from that point, when we bought Bitcoin in January 2023, from that moment we have a continuation in an uptrend. The first resistance Bitcoin found on 200 simple moving average, then we have a breakout, and then pull back to 200 simple moving average as a support line this time, and now we have Bitcoin trading in consolidation. A lot of investors find this level around 32,000 a very important level for Bitcoin, and once this level is broken, a lot of investors consider Bitcoin starting a new bull trend. Before we get into a daily analysis of Bitcoin, I would like to show you a bigger picture, and that is a Bitcoin trading for the last few years, so we can see what can we expect in next 2 to 3 years. Here is the Bitcoin trading from July 11th, 2016. If we connect all the tops and all the bottoms of Bitcoin, we can see this channel that Bitcoin is following. Every time the Bitcoin touched the bottom, we had an uptrend, and every time the Bitcoin touched the top, we had a downtrend. If Bitcoin continues to follow this trend line, we could see another pullback, and the next top we can expect between September and October 2025, when Bitcoin should be priced around $280,000 and $300,000. If Bitcoin doesn't follow this trend and breaks down these levels, we could see Bitcoin going down and maybe finding a support somewhere around $8,000 to $10,000. This will be another chance and great opportunity for people who never invested in Bitcoin to think about and reconsider buying Bitcoin and position themselves for the next bull market. Also, interesting thing if you look at the daily chart is that Bitcoin 2020 made a similar pattern as Bitcoin is making in October 2023. We remember once the Bitcoin broke down the trend line, Bitcoin skyrocketed 3 times in just a few days. If it happens this year, we could expect Bitcoin to go to over $60,000. If this happens, Bitcoin will pull a lot of other cryptocurrency, and in that case, we will be able to find a very good opportunities for trading. If you haven't started learning about trading yet, you have a free course that you can find on our channel. There are also 2 interesting charts that I would like to share with you, and they're about supply and demand of Bitcoin today. We all know that we don't have more than 21 million of Bitcoin, and supply is getting lower and lower. On the other side, when talking about demand, we could see that today we have more than 11.45 million wallets that have more than 0.01 Bitcoin. These 2 charts are showing us nothing else than that Bitcoin has just very big potential to the upside. When talking about other cryptocurrency, we could see that Ethereum is following the pathway of Bitcoin. Right now, Ethereum is trading on $1,580 and it is facing a very big support line. Ethereum is also close to 200 simple moving average, and the next resistance line is around 1,700. If it breaks out, we are looking for trades with the next resistance to $2,020. After that, Ethereum will have a free run to the next highs. Also interesting coin for investing is XRP, and we could see that XRP broke out on the good news. After that we have a big pullback, and now we are waiting for a new breakout and new highs of the XRP. Right now you can buy XRP for $0.5. 2 other tokens and coins that I would like to talk about and that have very big potential are Solana and Avalanche. Solana is one of the great projects that have a lot of application built on it, and all-time high was on November 21st, which was around $260. Right now, Solana is in consolidation between $14 and $26, and once this consolidation is broken, that will be a great opportunity to invest in Solana. Another great project with 10 to 15x potential is Avalanche, Avax, which is now trading around a very strong support line. Right now, Avalanche can be bought for $9.55, while the all-time high was around $145. Another token that I consider a very great for investing in this moment is Cardano, that is founded by Charles Hoskinson, right now consolidating about $0.2 and $0.4. And if you ask me, Cardano is one of the top 10 picks for investing in cryptocurrency in 2023. A lot of these trading and investing ideas we are sharing on our ADV Capital Academy Instagram page, so feel free to follow us there for more education. Also, you can find a free ebook if you're a beginner in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency trading and investing. That will be everything for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in some of the next ones.